Hello everyone, my name is Shamita Gurkal. I study in St. Xavier's Global Academy. I study in 5th grade. I come from the place of Kerala, the God's own place. And I love visiting Kerala. I love eating the yummy food on a banana leaf. My most favorite my most favorite food is idiyappam with vegetable stew. So today I'm going to be showing you the recipe of the same so that you can try it in your own house. First we are going to make idiyappam. In some parts of Kerala it's also called noonpittu. So for the ingredients for the idiyappam are roasted rice powder, grated coconut, salt for taste, coconut oil, 1 glass of water. This rice powder you can also get in the shops. I made this at home. Take water and heat it in a bowl and then put salt. Put 1 spoon of oil. And allow it to boil. Here is the hot water I just boiled. I'm going to be putting it into the rice dough. You can wait till the water becomes warm, but I'm going to be putting it hot so that the rice dough becomes very smooth. Step by step. The dough is ready. This is a machine most of you would be having in the house. It's the machine we used to make save. And this is the size I'm going to be using. Now we're going to put the dough inside it. This is the plate I'm going to be used for steaming. We're going to be putting the grated coconut on the plate. This is the machine which we use to make the idiyappam. Now this idiyappam is ready to be steamed. Now I'm going to be putting this coconut to garnish it. Another way to steam the idiyappam is on this banana leaf, and it is very tasty. It's my favorite. First we're going to spread some coconut on top of it. Now we will put some rice noodles on this grated coconut. Now I have made this idiyappam and we're going to garnish it with grated coconut again. I have kept this water ready to steam the idiyappam. Now let us steam it. Let's see if our first set of idiyappam is ready. Oh my god, it's ready. Now let's stick it on a plate. Till the idiyappam gets cooked, we are going to cook vegetable stew. So the ingredients for vegetable stew are chopped carrots, spices. In spices we have cardamom, cinnamon sticks and cloves. Then chopped potato, chopped beans, green peas, chopped cauliflower, salt for taste, ginger and slit chili, chopped onion, curry leaves, and thin coconut milk, thick coconut milk, and coconut oil. First, heat the oil in a pan. I have heated the oil in the pan. Now, let's put the spices. Now we need to mix. Now we need to put the chopped onion inside the pan. Now we're going to put the curry leaf inside the pan. Now we're going to put the ginger inside the pan. And the chili also. Cook well. Now I have cooked the onion, the curry leaves, the ginger, the spices and everything. I can smell the lovely aroma. Now we're going to put the chopped vegetable into the pan with salt to taste. First we're going to put carrots. Now we're going to put chopped potatoes. Now we're going to put chopped cauliflower. Now we're going to put the chopped beans. And now we're going to put the green peas. And at last we're going to put the salt to taste. And now cook well. Stir well. Now we're going to put 1 glass of water. And allow it to cook. Now the vegetables are half cooked. Now we're going to put the thin coconut milk into the pot. Mix well and allow it to cook again. Now our vegetables are fully cooked in thin coconut milk. Now we're going to garnish it with thick coconut milk. And a few curry leaves. And a little bit of coconut oil. Mix well. Mix well for 2 minutes. Cook for 2 minutes. Now my delicious idiyappam and vegetable stew is ready.